Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Fold a red craft paper like this in a triangular form. Again fold it like this. Now we are going to make a line and paste heart shape on it and trace those lines around the heart shape. Remove it and then cut it. Now open it and look, you'll get a beautiful structure like this. We are going to fold this red craft paper in a crisscross form. Again fold it like this. Now we are drawing circles. We are making an animal face here. Draw its ears. Now cut it like this. Open it and look how pretty this is looking. Fold this red craft paper and we are going to open it and draw a bunny shape here. This is a great way for Easter decoration. Draw the shape and cut it like this. Open it and look how pretty this decor is looking. Fold a red craft paper like this. Again fold it and in a triangular form and make a bunny shape like this. We are using a coin for the circle. Cut it and open it. Draw eyes and face of the bunny and look how pretty this decor is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.